Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I know I'm in kind of like a different spot, different lighting, and I look a little bit like a bum, but that's because today we're gonna go ahead and rearrange my entire beauty room and literally deep clean it. It needs to be deep cleaned. It is so freaking messy in here because I've had no time to clean it, and today I finally have time, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be cleaning it, and I'm literally moving the whole room around because we need a new setup. This is not working for me anymore. So I will go ahead and show you guys like the inside of my room, what it looks like right now, and explain to you where everything's gonna be moved and that sort of stuff. My boyfriend is coming over to help me, so you will see him in future clips. I can't do this all by myself. But so yeah, if you guys wanna see me clean my beauty room and rearrange everything, then just keep on watching. So this is what my room looks like when you first walk in. Super freaking messy, and I try to keep it clean as best as I can, but I'm really bad at cleaning after I'm done filming a video. I usually just leave the mess because I'm like, okay, I need to edit this video and get it up. Like, just leave the mess, I'll clean it later, and I never end up cleaning it. So there's stuff all over the floor. There's stuff all over my vanity that I haven't picked up yet, and just a whole bunch of mess. The only clean part of my beauty room is my background, but there's literally so much trash. There's my filming setup, and then this needs to be organized a little bit better, and then I just have this corner of just like random stuff. So I'm gonna explain to you guys how I want to move things around. So first I want to go ahead and I want to take my vanity and I'm gonna move that all the way over here. I just feel like it will fit a little bit better over here, and you know, just kind of get it. Like, I won't have to walk through all this stuff to get to my vanity. I can just walk into my room, boom, my vanity is right there. So that's where I want to put my vanity. Then I want to go ahead and I want to take this and move it to where my background is. And then I'm going to take my background and I'm going to move it to my vanity. So literally, I'm just doing a complete circle around the room, moving everything counterclockwise, clockwise, I don't even know. I'm just moving everything in a big circle. So I'm basically taking my whole filming setup and I'm putting it into that corner of the room. And I feel like this will be really great because now when I go ahead to do my makeup on a daily basis, I don't have to go ahead and walk through my filming setup in order to do my makeup. Because usually there's stuff all over the floor, like worse than this. And then I always have my stool over here too, and it's kind of a pain to like get through all of this. So I'm hoping that if I move my filming setup to that corner of the room, I won't have to walk through it and whatever. But so yeah, I just feel like it will make the room like feel a little bit bigger because it won't be taking up as much space. Because what I'm thinking is that my filming table obviously will be over there with my background, and then all the lights will be turned, and then I'll have more room this way. I'm hoping I will have a ton of room right here, and I won't have to like... It's just a pain. Not to mention, it's a pain to turn my camera on because the window's in the way and the ring light's in the way and just everything's in the way. And my tripod is junk. Literally, you bump it and it moves the entire camera. And then when I'm in the middle of filming and I move the camera, it's really hard to put it back in the exact same spot. So I'm hoping that not having the window in the background will really help with that, and I'll be able to like not have to like crawl through all these wires. You should see me on a daily basis trying to crawl through all these wires. I always have to move that light because usually I put it, let me show you. When I film, I put my light right there, and then the next day I'll go ahead and I'll sit down to do my makeup, and this is like obviously it's like on my chair, so I have to move it. And I'd like to be able to just keep my filming setup the way it is and not have to move anything around. So the reason why I have this filming setup this way is because before I had my ring light, and really before I had my soft boxes too, I had different lights before these ones, but I was using my window for natural light. And I just kind of kept it that way because even with these two soft boxes, the natural light was helping a lot. Now I got a ring light because I like the way that looks a little bit more. But honestly, when I have all three lights on plus the natural light, it is way too bright. I have to have the ring light turned down to almost nothing. And then these lights have, let's see, these lights have two switches on them, and I only can turn on one of the switches because it's just way, you can see it's just way too bright to have both of them on. You know what I mean? That's both of the lights. That's one of them. So just picture that on each side. It's just way, way too bright. Not to mention, I did get a new lens like last year, and that really makes everything a lot more bright and crisp. So that's why I kind of had to like tone down on the lighting a little bit. The lens I had before, I needed so much lighting to even get a little bit of light. Then again, I didn't really know how to use my camera then either. Now I know a little bit more about my camera and like lighting and stuff. Don't get me wrong, I'm definitely not a professional, but I know the basics for the most part. But so yeah, now that I don't need my window for light and that sort of stuff, I'm hoping that I can just turn it around and have everything be easily accessible and just use artificial light and just have consistent lighting, because I can't stand when some of my videos are super bright and some of them are super dark. It honestly bothers me, but it's all because of that window. So like I mentioned earlier, my boyfriend is coming over to help me. I need to move this mirror and light, obviously, with my vanity. The lights are screwed into the wall along with the mirror. That's a little DIY project we did together when we first started dating. So that needs to be moved over here. And then this dresser is extremely heavy, even with nothing in it. So we're gonna need to like work, you know, carry that together in order to get it to this side of the room. I just want to kind of clean off everything off the table so we don't have to worry about moving stuff with junk on the tables, because that's not really necessary. So yeah, this is the before of the room. Very messy, just like all my other, not declutter videos, but all my other organizing my beauty room videos. It's always a mess in here. I'm in here like most of the time, so keeping it clean is very hard, especially when I'm always in a rush. But yeah, a lot of this needs to be moved. So I can't wait to finally move everything. Okay, so this is what I've gotten done so far. I took out all the lights and I tried to clean off as much as I could off of the tables. I put all the trash in there, so that's gonna need to go out. And I'm also gonna go ahead and vacuum. So that's pretty much what I've gotten done so far. This stuff I'll just have to put on another table while we're moving it or something, because there's really nowhere I can put it. But so far this room already looks bigger just without the lights in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum because this carpet's disgusting.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger.
for some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
So, little update. He's hanging up the lights. The background is all done. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I'm still trying to figure that out. And then this is pretty much finished. I don't think I have to put anything else over here. But so far, so good.
You know why I had to go, I had to go. I still love you. I hope you know, I hope you know. Can't deny the truth. We were never meant to be. Sorry I had to leave. Oh, now you know why I had to go, I had to go. I still love you. I hope you know, I hope you know. Can't deny the truth. We were never meant to be. Sorry I had to leave. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so my camera was actually about to die, so I had to plug it in for a little bit, but here's a little bit of update on some progress. Pretty good. We have a lot more room now. We took the dresser and we put it in the closet, so now it's out of the way. Now we just gotta bring the lights in here and just do like finishing touches.
You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I
Alrighty guys, so this is what my filming slash beauty room looks like all complete, and I am so freaking happy with it. I actually can like walk through my beauty room without climbing through a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I have so much space over here. Like, don't mind my carpet, it's like disgusting, but I have space. I can like do cartwheels in here now. The only complaint I have is my lighting. I usually have these square boxes like really far out and kind of diagonal, and obviously I can't do that on this side because the wall is in the way. So that's my only complaint, and I don't want to move my filming setup over too much because then it will be in the way of my makeup collection. So I think I'm just going to leave it as is. I was kind of testing it out, as you guys probably saw in the earlier clip, and it doesn't look too bad. So I'm not complaining, but yeah, this is what it looks like. My background, my filming setup. We have a nice little walkway. And then we have my vanity. And then right here is my makeup collection. If you guys want to see a makeup collection video, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely do one for you guys. I know some people love them, some people hate them. I haven't done one since like 2014, 2015, and obviously my collection has grown and changed over the years. So just let me know and I'll definitely do one for you guys. But so I keep all my makeup and stuff over here, and then like I showed you guys in the earlier clip, we moved my dresser from this little spot, you can see the indent, to the inside of my closet, and it is so much nicer. Like, it looks so much more organized in here. I mean, it's still chaos, but it's not nearly as chaotic as it was before. But like in here I have all my like background stuff for like when I film, face masks and nail stuff. Let me show you. This is Halloween makeup and then just random tech stuff. And then down here is all my backdrops and like props for when I take like product pictures for Instagram. But yeah, I can actually open this door all the way. I wasn't able to do that before because the dresser was in the way. So I'm just so happy with this, and it is so clean. But so yeah, I'm super happy with the way it turned out, and it definitely was a needed change, that's for sure. Okay, so my hair is looking a little bit crazy because I had it up in a ponytail, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I love filming videos like this because it gives me motivation to clean my room, because usually when I'm not filming and I clean my room, I never finish it because I don't have to really, but when I'm filming I have to finish it, and I'm so happy I finally got the motivation to actually do this room over, and I'm so in love with it. So thanks to my boyfriend for helping me. If you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, be sure to let me know. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bells to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!